Hey, how's it going? Noah Kane here. Today we're going to run through a quick tutorial on how to update the meta title and meta description on your WordPress website. In this scenario, we're going to use the Yoast SEO plugin. A few things to keep in mind here. You're going to want to log into your WordPress website. If you don't already have the Yoast SEO plugin installed, you can go to plugins here and add new, and you'll want to just search for Yoast. As you can see, my plugin is due for an update, which we won't worry about right now, but you can see you would just click install now and the plugin would install and you'd be kind of ready to go. They do have a sort of like a launch wizard, setup wizard thing that helps you organize the basics of what they call your search appearance. So if you haven't added the plugin already, go ahead and do that. Follow the setup wizard, and you should be more or less good to go. There are some things you can tweak there, but that's for a video on another day. So once you have added Yoast, there'll be a module now on any page that you can update the meta title and description and other things. Any pages or posts basically will have a Yoast module on it. And it's important to understand the difference between pages and posts. So a page over here, that's going to be like your home page, could be a service page or something like that. Whereas a post is usually a blog post. If you're running an e-commerce site through WooCommerce or something like that, you'll have other category pages and things like that, which you can adjust in that part of your site hierarchy. But for the most part, on a standard site, blog posts and then your other pages on the site. So this could be homepage, contact page, etc. So let's go into a blog post. And I've already updated this one here, but let's just hit edit. And you'll notice a few things. This is the Gutenberg editor, which is a newer editor for WordPress. Some of you might be on an older version of the old editor, the WYSIWYG editor for WordPress. But in this version, you have two ways to access the Yoast settings. One is this little icon up here, this Yoast, this little Y Yoast icon. If you click on that, a few things will pop up, your focus key phrase, a few other things. But when it comes to strictly the meta title and description, you're going to click Google Preview. And this module here, let me scoot myself over. And Google Preview, and you'll scroll down. You'll see SEO title and meta description. And the SEO title is also known as the meta title. So meta title or SEO title are the same thing. And the meta description is down here. In general, you want these to be the meta title or SEO title to be 55 to 60 characters in length. The meta description in general, 155 to 160 characters in length. So if you're accessing the Yoast plugin in the sidebar area here, once you make the changes, you hit return to post, and then you'd hit update to take those changes live. Or if you scroll down to the bottom of your page, you'll see there's this other module down here. You can also adjust the same things, your focus key phrase, your SEO title, meta description, and there you go. So same rules apply down here as to over here, but two ways to get to those. And just so you have an understanding, where those, why this is important and why you want to adjust these. So I'm just going to do a search for SEO expert in Baltimore, which is where I live. You can see I show up there, which is good. And you'll see these listings here. So this sort of the actual link on the page, that's your meta title or SEO title. And so that's when you're adjusting that over here, you're trying to influence what shows up on this side of things, which potentially improves your click-through rate and ability for you to show up on Google for the right things, right keyword phrases, and increases the likelihood of someone clicking on your listing on Google as opposed to someone else's. Obviously, you need to do it right. And then down here, this sort of little sentence or so is the meta description, which you want to basically, your goal here is to sell the clicks. So you're going to catch their attention let them know, you have what they're looking for, and then add a little bit of copy here to sort of sell them actually clicking on your website. So that's it. That's how to update your meta title and meta description in the Yoast SEO plugin on your WordPress website. Talk to you guys soon.